You see anything?
Yeah.
Go and check, quick. What's all these things under the Christmas tree? Read the card, Lily. Loud, read it loud.
To my lovely little sisters, happy Christmas. I hope presents. Feather. What's that word? That one.
I hope Father Christmas.
I hope Father Christmas brings you lots of Mickey nice girl gifts, sending you both a big hug and kiss. Lucy!
Wow, from Lucy. She must have given it to the funny to bring to you.
Are you happy?
Yeah!
Hey, Romina, are you happy? This is from Lucy. I think this is to you from Lucy. Romina, open this one, open this one. It's from Lucy, from England. Wow, let's open up. Quick, quick, Romina. Catch up. Look at that. Che c'è scritto sopra, Lily? Che c'è scritto? E dietro? Che c'è scritto dietro? Leggi dietro.
Love from Big Sister Lucy.
What do you say to Lucy?
Thank you.
Yeah, say it to here because
Look
we're
at the
going to show
camera, say thank you.
this video.
Look, it says my name.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look.
Romina.
Look at Romina.
Look, love from Big Sister Lucy.
Wow, look at that.
Teddy.
Two
Let's
teddies.
see
They're
what's inside the
beautiful.
stockings. That one's yours.
Romina, do you want to say something to Lucy? Say thank you, Lucy.
Thank you, Lucy.
Look at mommy, more. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lucy.